Hey guys, welcome if it's your first time, or welcome back if you've been watching me for a little while now. Today I wanted to review this brand new product. This is the Blush Bar by Benefit. I'm going to add some definition today. That's why I have no bronzer, no contour, none of that. I actually purchased this for the Sephora sale that just happened recently. And just in case you've had an eye on this and you've been wanting to buy it but not sure if you should splurge, I'm gonna tell you what I think about it and if it's really worth it. So if you guys are ready, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this is actually by Benefit, and I'm sure everybody knows Benefit because of the Hoola bronzer. I actually have never owned the Hoola bronzer or any Benefit product ever. I have been using this for the past week, so I'm going to show you how I apply it, what I think about it, and like I said, if it's worth it. This is what it looks like inside. Hopefully I don't blind you with this mirror. But then we have all of our blushes and bronzers right here. And then it comes with this little brush that they all come with. But honestly, like, I'm probably not gonna use this. So I would have liked for there to be like another bronzer or blush. That would have been nice. But regardless, this palette retails for $58. And that is a pretty good deal because each one of these is $30. So if I wanted to buy them individually, I would have only been able to purchase like 2 of them, and that would have been already $60. But instead, you pay $58 plus tax, obviously, and you get all 5 of them. And it smells amazing. I am living for the smell. And these colors are so pretty. So we have a coral here that looks like this. This one is California, and then we have Gold Rush, which is a peach shade. And then we have Dandelion, which is just a muted pink. And then Rockateur, which is another peach. I feel like Gold Rush has a little bit of a golden undertone, and then Rockateur is just straight up peach. So California, Gold Rush, and Rockateur, they all have a little bit of shimmer in them. And then Dandelion is matte, and then of course so is the Hoola. And now I'm going to show you how I apply this. I'm going to start off with Hoola bronzer and a Wet n Wild brush that looks like this. They don't have names, so I'm sorry about that, but it's like the slanted one. And I'm just going to define my cheeks right here. And then my forehead a bit. I really like this bronzer because it blends in very smoothly, like you can barely see the transition. And then I'm taking my crown brush. This one's a bit flatter. And I'm just going to contour my nose. And it looks a little crazy first, but then I take a fluffier brush and just blend it all in. And then I guess you can mix and match a few of the blush shades, but right now I'm just kind of taking turns trying out different shades. So for the look that I have on right now with this bright lipstick and bright sweater, I'm going to do something a little bit more calm, and I'm going to use the Gold Rush blush. And then this one actually has a slight shimmer to it. So if you don't like your blush to have any shimmer, probably Gold Rush wouldn't be a good deal for you. Maybe Dandelion would be much better. And I mean, just for the heck of it, I'm going to try California since it's a little bit brighter and more corally. And that is what that one looks like. And I'm going to finish it off with my ColourPop Flexitarian highlight. I guess that is something that I would like for Hoola to come out with. I don't know if they have highlights or not, but that is the only thing that is missing from that little palette. This is Flexitarian from ColourPop. I'm going to add some in my inner corners. And that is it, guys. That is the total look using the Benefit Blush Bar. I do think it's worth the $58. If you were planning to try out Benefit and get a bronzer and a blush, then I think it's better off if you just get this and then you get 3 free extra blushes. Definitely worth it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Would you splurge on this, or is it just too much blush? Thank you so much for watching. Give me a like down below if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.